This is definitely one of the nicest telescopes I've seen in this price range. My son does a bird watching club at the refuge and also does a science club where they learn about the planets and stuff, and he uses this. It's totally adjustable. It's heavy duty, but it's lightweight. It comes with a carry-in bag and even a bag for your accessories to keep everything nice. This is easy to carry, has a shoulder strap. Even inside it has extra protection. It's really made nice. Extra support, extra Velcro. Comes in this nice box, which is totally giftable. Observe the moon, look at the planets at night, observe the animals and the outdoor view. It works great for it, so you can carry it around with you. You can adjust it taller and smaller. It's good because sometimes when they're looking for those birds, they sit down for a while, so you can adjust it lower just by turning that, and he can sit down and wait for the birds. You have an LED finder, red light finder. It comes with all these accessories, and it even has a little tray. You have a camera holder, a Bluetooth button, take pictures, and all these accessories. It's super windy here, and look at it, it's not even moving. Super sturdy, it's great looking, be a great gift. Folds up nicely, and you just put it in the bag.